Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, as most of you guys can see, Bitcoin has just broken through an extremely psychological level. We have hit 50k. The whole crypto world is watching, and so is the financial world, because ever since Bitcoin ETFs have come out, have been approved, now there's a lot of room for traditional finance to pour into cryptos. This, in my opinion, guys, is an important also time, because you start realizing that you may be running out of time. You got to make decisions as quickly as possible. Think about it. We have broken a resistance level that many thought was only gonna happen during the Bitcoin halving, and we still haven't even reached Bitcoin halving. So this is more exciting than ever. And for those of you that are holding SHIB, Bone, anything within the SHIB ecosystem, most of my followers, guys, look at the green that is being splashed. Look at the upward trend. We're all gonna start getting pulled up. These are the last moments right now, because what we are gonna be probably seeing at this point is a potential to reach a new all-time high before the Bitcoin halving, right? So as you can see, according to coinmarketcap.com, the halving is going to start in 62 days. We're coming close, and the money is going in like no tomorrow. So guess who's going to be benefiting? Everyone. Now, Bone, of course, it's not going to see a crazy pump right now, but once it all starts getting dragged up, this thing is going to get a very, very nice portion of it. So here we have it. We're sitting here, we're looking at these levels, and we are starting to realize that the exchanges need to make money as well, right? They make money from the trading fees. Now, the trading fees are going to be insane once the bull run hits, because there's going to be a lot of buying and selling and a lot of activity happening. So the exchanges are probably going to want to capitalize on this factor, and they are going to be loading up on so many cryptos. They're going to be listing a lot of cryptos. There's going to be an absolute, a period of time of action, activity, and non-sleep, because that is when the money is really going to be made. And I think the exchanges have had this in mind, and this is why I think Bone could be seeing a listing. Because Bone's potential is very, very high. And if you guys start realizing that although we still haven't seen our major listings, SHIBARIUM is starting to gather more money. We are starting to actually feel how Bone is breaking through resistance lines. And there's going to be much more coming for Bone. There's going to be more, crypto move from L1 to L2 when we talk about SHIBARIUM. So all these factors should really get Bone prepared and ready. And I think, if last bull run we managed to reach $3 without actually having much utility, that many holders, nothing really behind it, and we hit $3, guys, imagine now what Bone could do. So this is a wake-up call. Bitcoin does this little, alarm for everyone. Hey, I'm at 50k. The halving hasn't even started, and it looks like, I could be breaking more levels at this point. So it's looking very, very promising. And of course, by the end of this video, many people are going to say, well, actually, our cryptos haven't moved that much. Guys, it is, of course, going to have a much larger effect when it goes higher. It's I mean, I'm not saying right now that you should be expecting Bone to go to $10, $20. Of course not. But I think once the altcoin season hits, and once you see the potential that Bone could, go over 100K, 150K, that's where it's going to get very, very interesting with all the Bitcoin ETFs being unlocked. Imagine how much money there is to go into altcoins as well. It's a very interesting time to be part of. And like in every single video, I talk about, all these boxes that need to be ticked. Like SHIBASWAP 2.0 needs to be released, more projects will be going in, social media hype, exchange listings, and so on, institutional investors coming in, supply being low and demand being high. Yes, all of these will play a very important role. But most importantly is that Bitcoin could break that 100K. Imagine, it breaks that 100K. And from then on, I don't even know where we could stop, because we would have to stop at such a high level. It's going to be crazy. So I am very glad that we are part of this, that we are moving, and that we should be expecting the best of the best. Many of the influencers are going to be talking right now about what happened to Bitcoin. You're going to see on the news outlets, of course, because this shows some positive signs. As many people in the past would say, well, you know what, cryptos are dead and this is never going to work out and blah, blah, blah. But guess what? It's coming back, and it's going for even a bigger wave, and more psychological resistance levels will be broken. So more money is going to be poured in for sure. Now, I am not going to go into like deep as to why, why Bone should be going up, because I pretty much do it all the time. But this is just a wake up call to show you where we are with Bitcoin, how far we could go. Bitcoin halving even has not even started, and we have already reached a beautiful level. So God knows where this is going to take us, but if you have any thoughts, let us know. Let's talk, let's discuss. I think the whales are watching, institutions are everybody's watching, and everybody's getting ready to make a move. I don't know where you stand with this, but hopefully you're on the same page. So as of now, please subscribe, turn that notifications bell on. It's only going to get more interesting. And yeah, guys, big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.